Hi everybody, I like to show you who is the main characters of my cartoon show Beauties and the Villains. This is TikTok Windup. He is half wood and half metal. A long time ago when he was young, he was inventing by his birth father. His father was a scientist and he was a genius to creating his own kids. Him and his father live in a mansion on the top of the mountain. And what happened? There was a threat attacking a mansion. TikTok's father was trying to save him, and he put him inside the rocket and launch him for his own protective. Then his father was dead. And TikTok inside the rocket, he was landed on the ground. Then he was found by some woman, and then she raised him as her son, and she can be his mother. TikTok's talent, he loves doing some kung fu and puppets and inventing. He is inventor to invent whatever he wanted. And he loves puppets to make everyone happy. And he doesn't like what everyone did to him. He was threatening him, treating him, and judging him so bad. He was so angry. He doesn't like it at all. But his friends and his mother was trying to convince him and cheer him up. And he is really calmly. And what happened? What happened when TikTok got home? His house was damaged. And he get inside, look for his mother. And then he was searching the whole world, every places. But he gave up. And now there is darkness inside of him. He was becoming a villain, and he creating his own army to take back what's his, get revenge on everyone else for what they did to him and his friends and his family. And he make his own outfit, his black hat, his black jacket, and his red shirt. He creating his own army to help him to get revenge on everyone else. But who will stop them? You'll find out soon enough. The Beauties and the Villains is coming soon on YouTube. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and be safe from the coronavirus.